Go see who's gonna win the Burnout contest. That's crazy, man. Foxcast is here, looks like he's about to run. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and this video is the kickoff of Foxtoberfest. It's finally here. I've been waiting for it all year and I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it because it is all about fox bodies. It's the biggest show for fox bodies in the US and tonight is the start of it. We are actually heading to Mooresville Dragway. There's going to be drag racing there, of course, which makes me kind of sad because I can't take Tar Heel Fox there. If you haven't seen that upload, there were some problems. There are some problems with the car. It is drivable, but I'm actually don't want to drive it too much to make it worse. I am going to drive it to the show because I'm really close to Foxtoberfest. It's only like a 20-minute drive. So I am going to drive it to the show just to get it there on Saturday. But for tonight, I'm not. I'm going to drive, hold on, wait for it, the Beater. Yes, the Beater. The Jetta serves me well. It's not in the videos very much, and you could probably see why, but you know, at least it's useful. It's a useful car. It doesn't burn oil and it doesn't lose coolant. So anyway, if you're not sure what's going on with Tar Heel Fox, definitely check out that video. You should find it very easily, but just in case, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below. But yeah, it's getting dark. I don't know how the lighting's gonna be out there. It's not too good with these GoPros, but that's where we're headed. Mooresville Dragway. Gonna see who's gonna win the Burnout contest. Actually, our Dream Auto, who painted Tar Heel Fox, they are the ones running the Burnout contest. So anyway, let's go ahead and hit the road and I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so I am here, but it's really dark, but the Burnout contest is actually gonna be way over there. They're still gonna be running the strip tonight. There are lots of fox bodies here though. This looks like a nice Cobra. 943, that was Terry, Mr. Automotive. I guess he's out here in the Sun's SVO. Ran a 943. I have to catch up with him. For those of you that don't know, Foxtoberfest is actually put on by Fox Mustang Restoration. This is their booth here. They've got all kinds of merch. And in this next clip, I was actually trying to sneak up on Matt, who's the owner at Fox Mustang Restoration. But unfortunately, he spotted me and I wasn't able to sneak up on him like I wanted to. Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up, man?
I was going to sneak up like... Got the booth here. Got Peaches here. Foxtoberfest sign. Got some merch. What do we got here? Fill me in, Dell, on what we got. This shirt's for this year, right?
Incredible amounts of t-shirts.
Yeah.
Sweatshirts.
You got sweatshirts, okay. Those are cool, yep.
And
the 40 years of Fox. I like that. I like that. It's gonna be a little dark, guys, but oh yeah, you can sign up here, right?
That's right.
All right, so you can sign up right here. Pretty cool. You got hats. I don't remember, did you have hats last year? Probably. No? I had a lot of guys ask for hats. Whoever's asking for hats, they got them. So I hope you're here to get them. If not, you can still get this stuff on the website if they still have it. So I don't know. Anything left over you're selling on the website?
yes.
Let's get it out. Nice. There we go. That's pretty. You were actually on last year's video showing me the shirts. You just didn't know it. Cool. What do we got? What do we got? See? Foxy. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, we got stickers too.
Yeah, free stickers.
Free stickers, all right.
And if you'd like, you can use it as a name tag.
Okay. Well, I should probably do that.
Yeah, if you'd like.
I didn't really know it either, so. Peaches is sporting pumpkins, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, Peaches has a fuel door. All right. Matt has been busy. Finally a fuel door. In case you guys don't know, I keep saying Peaches. This car is actually Matt and Jen's car. It's SSP, former Georgia Highway Patrol, and it's going up for auction soon. So stay tuned to the channel for that. So guys, heading to the Burnout contest right now, and I got 2 other YouTubers with me. The guy that never uploads, but he makes good uploads, Mr. Automotive. You got Hicks House Videos over there.
What's up?
We're gonna be hanging out with them more tonight. We're heading to the Burnout contest, and my car is somewhere. There it is. There's the Jetta. There's the beater.
Closer than the Jetta.
Is it? We should take the SB over.
I tried to ask what county you parked in.
Yeah. I missed the Burnout, but he popped the tire, so that's awesome, man. You're a contender. Oh, there you go. I can use your light.
Get near that one. Look at the fur hanging out the back of that one. Just the brain? No, that's not your car. Okay.
It's a dream car. Oh, you
Yeah,
popped
you
them
got
both.
it.
She's smoking. It is a drift car.
Yeah.
Do you see that brake handle? Look at that emergency brake. That's crazy, man.
So I got two calipers on the back. Yeah.
Nice. Nailed it. All right. See, I'm using Brent for lighting, so I heard this guy's the winner,
Yeah.
Mr. Wilson.
Apparently.
Did you pop any tires or anything?
No, nope, no tires popped.
Oh.
I mean, still got to drag race it, right? So,
Yes.
Oh, you're running tonight too, yeah.
I'm gonna run it.
You
Right
coming to FoxToberfest too?
Yeah, I'll be there Saturday.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll be one primer color. I've been working my butt off just to get the car.
Are you gonna get a primer by Saturday?
I'm trying.
Wow, you're putting in work. He comes here, he wins a Burnout contest, and then
I'm hoping it's-
then he primes it tomorrow against FoxToberfest.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
gonna mess up the primer with the rubber.
Right?
No, we'll just sand that off with the DA and we'll be all right. We'll
Yeah.
be good to go.
Yeah. He said it was a 93.
It's a 93, yep. Oh, when I got it, the car was hit on every single corner.
Yeah, it looks straight. Very straight car.
Went under a bus in the back.
Oh.
And crinkled the whole front. I cut the whole rail off of it. Sectioned new rails into the car. The engine's out of a 91.
Okay.
And the whole front frame is out of a 91. And I pulled the rear out. The doors were wrecked, the fenders, the hood, everything was wrecked. It all came off of like 2 or 3 parts cars that I used to build.
Really?
So,
Very cool, man.
3 years. Okay. I took a year off last year, and I just started recently again.
That's the winner, guys. And he's running tonight too, under 49. Then I lost all my light. By the way, if you guys are not following Brent already on YouTube, since he gave me light tonight, I follow him anyway. I mean,
Yeah.
Mad Maxine, Cool Pre, you know, I'm going to see you this weekend, but definitely check him out, Hicks House Videos. I'll have that all down in the link in the description below. Also, I've got this man's Instagram here. I'm going to put that up on the screen. So you can follow this bad boy that just won the drag race. Or not the drag race, the Burnout contest.
I wish it was a drag.
Yeah. But hey, man, you're going to walk away with some money. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't beat it.
Yep, nice.
Awesome, man.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you
Congrats.
very much, guys.
All right, 5 and drive time. Uh-oh. So I thought I was going to be able to wait longer for 5 and drive, so I'm unprepared, which is how it needs to be.
That's what I like.
Yeah,
to do.
he totally got me on the spot. So here we go, guys. I'm going to set this up over here. All right, my official 5 and drive.
All right, guys, welcome back to 5 and Drive. We have our next contestant or guest, Matt, Gearhead 704.
Guys, you got me with a new question, so whenever that video comes out, I'll let you guys know. Oh, do you think it didn't record?
Oh, come on. Let me check here.
I am out here with my friend, buddy, Terry, Mr. Automotive. You guys should know him, but he hasn't been on the channel a while because he's been busy with this car. You know, so he had a project of his own, so that's why I couldn't steal him for my project. But you're running the SVO tonight. which is cool. You've already ran a couple times.
Twice so far.
Yep.
Yeah.
So guys, I got my other GoPro in the car right there. So we're gonna get some in-car action of how you actually really shift a manual, unlike me. Don't go back into first gear, that is bad.
That's bad.
I've done that a couple times. Terry's not gonna do that, hopefully. So he's gonna run it, we'll see what he's gonna do. Best time tonight so far was what, 9:39?
Yeah.
Okay, 9:39, we'll see.
Just 9.3, but yeah.
Yeah, 9:30, 9:30. I think you're gonna get 9, I'm gonna go 9:1 this time.
It's
my guess.
spinning really hard off the line.
Take off a little easier, I think. Yeah. Not that I can give out drag race advice. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, we'll see what he runs. All right, so Foxcast is here. Looks like he's about to run. Looks like he's got a leak or something. Yeah, I can smell fuel. Yeah, you can smell gas really bad. I got some tools, might be able to help Caleb. I'm gonna see. I heard somebody ask if they need a wrench. So I'm kind of running right now to see if I can help him out. These are actually Terry's tools, Mr. Automotive. So a big shout out to him. Do y'all need some tools? You got it? Okay. All right.
Is that all the way down tight?
I got you some tools just in case, but I guess you guys got it. All right, looks like he's gonna run. I guess I got it fixed. I missed Foxcast's run while I was running the tools back. I missed his run, but he did run fastest time ever, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and check with him and see what he ran. But I missed the run.
Yeah, it's still not real good.
That's not your best time with it, is it?
Actually it is.
Is it? All right.
It was 7:39 was the best.
What was your 60?
160.
Okay. Can I steal your slip?
Got a 200 light, yep.
All right. Here's what he ran, guys. Ran his fastest time. There we go. Yeah, 1:6:60, 7:34, 93.98, almost 94. So yeah, I missed the run. I tried to save him with the tools, and then I missed the run. There you go. Thanks, bud. Still waiting on Terry to run. He's over there. But he should run pretty soon. They're about to run street cars, so. Spun too much, 997. So he ran a 934 before. Sounds good. That SVO is awesome. I love how it sounds, that big turbo. All right, so Foxtoberfest has officially started. Had a blast here tonight. Got to see, well, I didn't really get to see, but Foxcast did run his fastest time ever. Hopefully somebody got video of it. I'm sure Caleb did. But yeah, that was kind of crazy what happened there. Also, I did talk to Terry, and on that last run, he didn't give it enough gas. I think he had like a 3-second 60 foot, so that's what happened there. Anyway, I was a little sad I couldn't have my car here tonight, but overall, you know, it's okay. I know I will have it out here again, and tonight was a blast. So definitely look for more Foxtoberfest content coming. Stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.